Hello friends, in this quick video, I will give you a demo of the TeachMe feature of MyGuide by Edcast. So the core idea is if I want to learn Salesforce or Workday or ServiceNow, I need to have an account in those environments, and sometimes it can be very costly to set up accounts in production environments, and we don't want users to mess up the production data. So we end up creating training environments or staging environments, and they are also not a mirror copy of production. So how do we train our users? How do we teach our users? Can we offer a virtual lab? Right? That's the core idea. So every guide that you create using MyGuide can be virtualized, and it can be offered through a virtual lab, also known as TeachMe. So here is a example of the TeachMe mod. I'm going to learn how to add opportunity in Salesforce, and this is all virtual. So this is a simulation mod. This can be offered both with the Guide Me or My Guide bubbles, or it can be offered without the My Guide bubbles. So I can interact with this thing. I can come over here and I can type my name, Kalpit at Edcast, whatever is my email, I can tab. And now you can see that I can even type in my password, right? And this is a real simulation. So I can enter real data over here. After that, it'll ask me to log in, and you can see the My Guide bubbles, the balloon bubbles are popping in. I can do this test without it as well. So now it's teaching me what I need to do. I cannot click on other areas. This is simulation. So I'll click on the app launcher, and again, simulation can be run without bubbles or with bubbles. So here is the next step. I need to click on sales. Let me go ahead and click on sales. Now I have to click on opportunities. Let me go ahead and click on it. And finally, I have to click on new. Now comes a very important point. We can teach users how to enter data in a specific format. We can check to make sure that they understand how to enter data. So data validation can be performed over here. We can give them production like values in the drop down. And if there is a field like stage, which is very important, we can show them the exact same data which is in production, and we can train them to use that specific workflow. So here is the simulation mod. If I save on it, it is done. And the important point about simulation is this can be done infinite times. So there is no cost or very little cost in running this simulation. And this is very powerful. Any web application, desktop application, even operating systems can be taught through simulation. And we believe simulation mod, the teach me mod, the virtual lab mod is very powerful, and you will love